equals does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. Home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson SV12. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your home, carry out a free diagnosis and send you a quote before carrying out any repairs. No phone calls, no travel required. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. The issue with the Dyson SV12 often arises from a broken connector, which can happen due to wear and tear or accidental damage. If left unrepaired, it can lead to further complications, affecting the vacuum's performance and usability. To carry out this repair, you will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, some electrical tape, and a replacement connector. Begin by ensuring the device is unplugged. Carefully use the flathead screwdriver to pry open the casing of the Dyson SV12, taking care not to damage the plastic clips. Once open, locate the broken connector. It will typically be near the battery compartment. Gently disconnect any cables attached to the connector, noting their positions for reassembly. Remove the screws securing the connector in place using the Phillips screwdriver, applying gentle force to avoid stripping them. Once removed, replace it with the new connector, ensuring it fits snugly. Reconnect the cables as per your notes, and double-check that everything is secure. As you reassemble the device, be cautious of any nearby components that could be damaged. If at this point it feels too complex, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your home and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from recurring, regularly check the connectors for any signs of wear and avoid pulling on the cables when using the vacuum. If you don't want to risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect it, repair it and deliver it back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. Home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.